Hi guys, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. I am Anurag, here to show you how to fix the package could not be installed. The theme is missing the style.css style sheet error. While installing a theme, if you have experienced this error, this video will help you. This error occurs when you install a theme by uploading the file. There are some reasons that may be responsible for this issue. Let's understand them. Sometimes, a user can make a mistake while uploading the zip file of the theme to WordPress. It is possible that the theme you are installing is not built for WordPress. So confirm if it is for WordPress or not. The style.css file might accidentally deleted or renamed. Review the theme file and ensure all files are there as they should be. Now coming to the solutions. First, confirm whether the file you are uploading is a theme file or not. If you have downloaded a theme from a website, it may contain some more files like documentation, license information, and more. So first find the actual theme file and then upload it to your dashboard. If you are uploading a child theme, make sure the parent theme is the same as the child theme you are uploading. See if the style.css file is in the correct location. It should be placed in the root folder. In the same folder, you will find the function.php file. Sometimes because of the same name, the theme and the plugin create confusion. So the theme should upload it to the themes page. Check if the theme is compatible with WordPress. You can check if you have downloaded the theme. If you have done all these remedies, then you can contact the support team of the theme provider. It should fix the issue. At last, you can seek an alternative theme. These are some steps that can help you to fix the issue. You can see more tutorials. If this video helps you, like the video, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.